In this video, we're going to continue topic 5.9, and we are looking at example 6. It says that we have the graph of h prime, and we're going to determine the intervals where we're increasing, decreasing, relative extrema, concave up, concave down, any x coordinates where we have points of inflection. Okay, so I'm going to start with increasing, decreasing. So in increasing, decreasing, we look for zeros. So it looks like I've got 1, 4, and about 6.5. So intervals are at negative infinity to 1, 1 to 4, and 4 to 6.5. And then, oh, it looks like I stopped. Sorry. This should have started at -1. It's closed. -1. And then 6.5 to 7. All right. So because we're looking at increasing, decreasing, we're looking above, below. So I'm above, then below, then above, then below. So that means that h is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So I'm going to write that out. So we've got h is increasing on -1 to 1 and 4 to 6.5 because h prime is greater than 0 on these intervals. H is decreasing on 1 to 4 and 6.5 to 7 because h prime is less than 0 on these intervals. Okay, and then we got to look at relative maxes and mins. So increasing, decreasing, decreasing to increasing, increasing to decreasing. So we've got 2 maxes and 1 min. So h has a relative max at x equals 1 and 6.5 because h prime changes from positive to negative at these values. H has a relative min at x equals 4 because h prime changes from negative to positive at these values. All right, now we have to do concavity. I'm sorry I did not give you enough space. All right, so concavity, I'm looking for horizontal tangents. So it looks like I've got 2 of those. So my intervals are going to be from -1 to 2, 2 to 6, and 6 to 7. And then we're going to look at what's going on with h prime, h double prime, and finally h. So if h prime is decreasing, that means that h double prime is negative. H is increasing, that means h double prime is positive. If h is decreasing, or h prime is decreasing, then h double prime is negative. When it's negative, we are concave down. When it's positive, we're concave up. All right, so let's write out these sentences. So H has, or is concave, sorry, H is concave up on 2 to 6 because H prime is increasing on this interval. H is concave down on -1 to 2 and 6 to 7 because H prime is decreasing on this interval. And then we have to look at points of inflection, which just means I need a sign change. So H has points of inflection at x equals 2 and 6 because technically my reason should be based off of H prime. So because H prime changes from decreasing to increasing or increasing to decreasing at these values.